Hey everyone, today I've decided to review this Infantino Fresh Squeeze Baby Puree Kit. I've actually never seen this before until I came across it on Amazon. I love it. I've tried the baby bullets before and this is so great because there's minimal messes and it's super easy to use. Because of its minimal design, they've made storing it convenient by snapping the cups underneath when not in use. These spoons are also so great, and you just screw them onto the squeeze pouches. They are so easy to clean, and what's great about these is that you don't have to wash all of those extra dishes and utensils. I've purchased the 50-pack disposable squeeze pouches since the original kit only provides 10, so if you plan on storing a large amount of pureed food, I would suggest purchasing the additional pouches. And again, these are disposable. So this is the entire kit, and I'm obsessed. Here I'm feeding little Levi with the spoon connected to the squeeze pouch. I've noticed that once I squeeze out the food and shake it a little bit, it levels out the food on the spoon a little bit better. Here is how I use the kit. Once you remove the tubes, slide in up to 3 squeeze pouches. Once everything is in place, screw the tubes onto the pouches, then pour your pureed food into the tubes. You can see there are 3 different measuring lines. You can see how easy it is to push the puree through the tube into the pouches. I've noticed when I puree pears or apples, the puree seeps through into the pouches before I'm able to use the press. So just be mindful as far as your measurements. Once you're all done, take the caps provided with the pouches and screw them right on for storage. Date and then label, and that's it. Here I'll be showing you how I made the avocado puree. I get all of my recipes from the Big Book of Organic Baby Foods by Stephanie Middleberg from Amazon. I love it because they have the recipes in stages of your baby up to your toddler. So for instance, it'll give you recipes from certain months, and then stage 1 is only 1 ingredient, and stage 2 you up it to 2 ingredients, and so on. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.